Today we will prove whether or not Naoya Zenin is a fraud or not. We will be using this clip to calculate the force of Naoya's punches, but first let's watch this short clip of the man himself.
Screw up like I did back then. Force is weight times speed.
Naoya says that force is equal to weight times speed, but we know this is false because weight is measured in newtons the same as force, and speed is measured in meters per second. Instead, the given quantities would be equal to power. However, if we assume that Naoya meant mass by weight, we can get the formula for momentum. A change in momentum is impulse, and force multiplied by time is also impulse, so that means force multiplied by time is equal to mass multiplied by velocity. Therefore, force is equal to mass multiplied by velocity all over time. Since velocity is equal to distance over time, we can get force is equal to mass multiplied by distance over time all over time. Using these two images of Naoya and Choso near each other, we can estimate the two are similar in height, and since Choso's estimated height is 6 foot, we can assume Naoya is 6 foot as well. The average mass of a healthy 6-foot man is anywhere from 140 to 180 pounds. We will assume Naoya is a bit heavier than that at 185 pounds or 84 kilograms. It is generally assumed that a person puts 20 to 40% of their mass into a punch. Using the upper end of this, we can calculate the average mass Naoya puts into each punch at 33.6 kilograms. Now to get the distance Naoya puts into a punch, we will assume that the distance he pulls his arm back is 2 times his arm length. Using this image of Naoya on my monitor, we get an arm length of 6 centimeters over his height of 15.2 to get about 0.39 multiplied by his actual height of 72 inches, and we get 24.44 inches for his arm length. Multiply that by 2 and we get 56.88 inches or about 1.5 meters. When the clip we are using is slowed down, we can see it takes 3 frames of Naoya's curse technique to land a punch, therefore it takes 3/24 of a second for Naoya to land a punch. Putting all our numbers into the formula, we can see that Naoya is punching with about 3,100 newtons of force or 696 pounds of pound force. This is stronger than an average human but around the same as the average boxer. Considering he can enhance his body with cursed energy and his speed with his curse technique, this is trash. So to confirm, Naoya is 0-2, Naoya is the tickle monster, and Naoya would fail high school physics. Now we can confidently say Naoya is a fraud.
Yeah, ice on my teeth, I got
What?
Bully on wrist, I got
What?
Balenci on feet, I got
What?
Bang on my neck, I got
What?
Another 3, another 2, I'm the
What?
She wants on my dick, I say
What?
Bring that ass, I wanna
What?